Come with us on a journey of healing. We'll see glimpses of dreams come true and pictures of miracles. On the way, we'll meet other travelers, people who live for a time in the landscapes of accident or illness, struggling to return home to health. Our guides on this journey are the volunteers for Therapy Partners Incorporated, teams of trained handlers and their canine and feline partners who help people in need of their special healing touch. These teams are expert in animal-assisted therapy, a form of treatment that can help patients regain physical, emotional, social, and mental health. Therapy Partners teams travel a special path of service devoted to providing therapy that can aid in healing. The volunteer teams of Therapy Partners have been carefully prepared to guide a journey of healing. Handlers must have previous experience in psychology, counseling, social work, or related fields. Their partner is their own personal companion animal. Dogs must have formal obedience training through the novice level, and all TPI animals must pass the Therapy Partners temperament test, in addition to the Delta Society certification evaluation. Once accepted into Therapy Partners training program, the prospective handler and their companion animal enter into a 4-month program of study, training, role-playing, and participation specifically designed by the agency's founders, Mimi Bynum and Connie Gates. Group training sessions socialize prospective therapy animals so they learn to interact calmly. Teams are trained to work together comfortably and safely around medical equipment. With the guidance of experienced trainers and handlers, teams in training complete a variety of simulated visits where handlers learn active listening skills and complete role-playing exercises. Teams in training make supervised orientation visits to service facilities. Finally, each team goes on probationary visits to selected facilities under the surveillance of a qualified TPI trainer-handler. When the training program has been successfully completed, each new team receives its assignments to one of the facilities served by Therapy Partners. But the training never stops. All Therapy Partners teams are required to attend regular in-service training sessions throughout their service to the agency. The quiet steadiness gained through TPI's ongoing training enables teams to work safely with children as well as adults. Animal-assisted therapy is particularly helpful with youngsters in crisis. Calm, gentle exercises with TPI's teams help these young people learn how to be nurturing and how to care for others in a positive way.
Hi, Jane, it's Mimi. I brought Lily. Can we come in for a visit?
At Therapy Partners, we believe that one of the most important gifts we can give is to honor the dignity and worth of every individual. This team will wait for a personal invitation before they enter her room. She sometimes feels as though she's lost any power over her own life. Her daily schedule, her treatment regimen, the food she eats, and the hours she eats it, every decision seems to be dictated by someone else. But she decides whether or not she'll have a visit from the TPI team. Feeling empowered can increase a patient's participation in all facets of their treatment program, helping them to recover more quickly. Often the journey of healing takes someone we care about far away from the comfortable familiarity of home. The presence of the TPI dog or cat can normalize a strange environment and make it feel less threatening. The road to healing can take unexpected turns, leading a loved one into unknown territory. Olivia sometimes feels frightened and insecure. She's faced with learning new ways to function. When a team from Therapy Partners visits, Olivia may experience positive physical changes. Animal-assisted therapy can reduce Olivia's blood pressure, lower her heart rate, and give her relief from pain at the time of therapy and for up to 2 hours afterward. When Olivia feels calmer and more secure, her body reacts in positive, healing ways. Sometimes life's journey takes someone we love and slips them into a difficult trip to an uncertain destination. John is losing pieces of his memories, portions of his life. But when his hand touches the soft fur of the therapy cat, memories often come back to him in a welcome rush. The presence of the therapy cat can break through John's isolation and gently bring him back to the world he feared he had lost. Our guides, the therapy teams from Therapy Partners, have helped to build the way stations we've visited on our journey of healing. A rehabilitation patient can use the therapy team's gift of empowerment to enhance her own recovery. A patient's anxiety may drop and immune systems strengthen as the therapy dog brings a comforting touch of home to an unfamiliar hospital room. A patient can benefit from positive physical responses to the presence of the therapy animal: reduced blood pressure, lowered heart rate, reduction of pain. A victim of Alzheimer's disease can experience moments of happy clarity as he pets a TPI therapy cat. Tens of thousands of patients throughout the Tennessee Valley have benefited from the healing touch of Therapy Partners Incorporated. They volunteer their time, training, expertise, and energy to help people find moments of respite from anxiety, find empowerment, comfort, courage, and most of all, a special touch of healing. For Therapy Partners, the journey of healing goes on.